Ryan drives 20 kilometers per hour faster than Alicia. In the same time that Alicia drives 225 kilometers, Ryan drives 325 kilometers. Find the speed of each car. So the first step in our process is to familiarize. We'll start by letting R equal Alicia's speed in kilometers per hour. If we do that, then we know that R plus 20 would be Ryan's speed. It's often helpful, especially with motion problems, to have a chart to help organize the information. So now let's fill in the information in our chart where we have distance equals speed times time. So what we have is Alicia driving 225 kilometers. We have Ryan driving 325 kilometers. Alicia's speed is R. Ryan's is R plus 20. And now to calculate time, we know it's distance divided by speed. So for Alicia, it would be 225 divided by R. For Ryan, 325 divided by R plus 20. Next, what we'd like to do is translate. That's the second step in our 5-step process. Well, the translation that we're going to do is the fact that the two times are equal. So we would have 225 divided by R equals 325 divided by R plus 20. We want to solve this. We would recognize it as a rational equation. We would need to multiply both sides by the LCM of the two denominators, and that would be R times R plus 20. So multiply by R times R plus 20 on the left side, and multiply by R times R plus 20 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we can remove a factor of 1, which is the R over R, and we need to distribute the 225. So this would give us on the left-hand side 225R plus 4,500, which is the 225 times 20. And on the right-hand side, we can remove a factor of 1, R plus 20 over R plus 20, and that would give us a result of 325R. We now subtract 225R from both sides. We would have 4,500 equals 100R. And now dividing both sides by the 100, we would find that R is equal to 45. Remember that R represents Alicia's speed and that Ryan's speed is R plus 20. So therefore, Ryan, so this is Alicia, which I'll abbreviate as A, and therefore Ryan would be equal to 45 plus 20, or 65 kilometers per hour. We just carried out the problem, which is the third step in the process, and the fourth step is to check our answer. Well, the way we can check the answer is to say, here's Ryan, his speed is 65. If we take his distance, 325, and divide it by 65, that would be equal to 5 hours. Let's do the same for Alicia. 225 divided by 45, and that would be equal to 5 hours. So the times are the same, which is what we were told in the problem, and so we know that this checks. So the fifth step of the process is to state the answer. So what we would say is that Ryan travels 65 kilometers per hour and Alicia travels 45 kilometers per hour.